When it comes to building or rebuilding credit in 2025, one of the smartest tools you can use is a secured credit card. But here's the problem, not all secured credit cards are worth your time. Some have high fees, low limits, and barely report to credit bureaus. Others actually work, they report responsibly, help you grow your credit score, and even upgrade you to unsecured credit over time. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 secured credit cards that actually work in 2025. We'll go over their features, benefits, who they're best for, and how you can use them to build a stronger financial future. Let's dive in. Why secured credit cards matter in 2025. Before jumping into the list, let's talk quickly about why secured credit cards are still such a powerful tool today. If you have no credit history, bad credit, or you've been denied for regular credit cards, a secured card can be your golden ticket. They work by requiring a cash deposit upfront, usually $200 to $500, which acts as your credit limit. You then use the card like a regular credit card, make on-time payments, and your history gets reported to the 3 major credit bureaus. Over time, this builds your credit score and shows lenders you're responsible. And here's the best part, some secured cards now offer cashback, low fees, and even automatic graduation to unsecured cards. With the right choice, you can save money and build credit at the same time. 1. Discover It Secured Credit Card. This card is a classic for a reason. The Discover It Secured is still one of the best secured credit cards in 2025 because it combines credit building with real rewards. Unlike most secured cards, this one gives you cashback rewards, 2% at gas stations and restaurants, up to a quarterly limit, and 1% on everything else. That's rare for a secured card. The deposit starts at $200, and Discover will review your account after 7 months to see if you qualify for an upgrade to an unsecured card. Plus, there are no annual fees. You also get free access to your FICO credit score, which is helpful to track your progress. Who's it for? This card is perfect if you want to build credit but also earn rewards while doing it. If you're disciplined with spending and payments, this could be your number 1 choice. 2. Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. Next up, we have the Capital One Platinum Secured, a super flexible option. What makes it stand out in 2025 is that you can qualify for a $200 credit limit with a deposit as low as $49 or $99, depending on your creditworthiness. That means if you don't have the full $200 upfront, Capital One may let you start smaller. There are no annual fees, and your account gets reviewed for credit limit increases in as little as 6 months with responsible use. The card also reports to all 3 bureaus, which is exactly what you need. Who's it for? This card is great if you want a low deposit entry point and room to grow. It's also backed by a major bank with a strong reputation for helping rebuilders graduate to better cards. 3. Chime Credit Builder Secured Visa. The Chime Credit Builder card isn't your typical secured card, it works a little differently, and that's why it's one of the best options in 2025. First, there's no traditional security deposit. Instead, you move money into your Chime Credit Builder account, and that amount becomes your spending limit. The big selling point here, no annual fees, no interest, and no credit check to apply. That makes it perfect for people who may have been denied other secured cards. Chime also reports to all 3 bureaus, and they've built a reputation for making credit building simple and beginner-friendly. Who's it for? If you're looking for flexibility, no fees, and a modern approach to building credit, Chime's card is an excellent choice. It's especially good for people who don't want to tie up $200 to $500 in a security deposit for months. 4. Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card. If you've been denied by other banks because of poor or no credit, the Open Sky Secured Visa is worth looking at. The reason? No credit check required. That makes it one of the most accessible cards on the market in 2025. The security deposit ranges from $200 up to $3,000, which gives you flexibility in choosing your credit limit. The card does have a $35 annual fee, and there are no rewards, but in return, it's one of the easiest cards to get approved for when others say no. Who's it for? This is a card for someone who wants a guaranteed chance to build credit without worrying about being denied. If your score is low or you're just starting out, this card can help you take the first step. 5. Citi Secured MasterCard. Rounding out the list is the Citi Secured MasterCard, which is another solid option from a major bank. The deposit starts at $200, and you'll get a straightforward, no-frills secured card with no rewards but solid credit-building benefits. Citi reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and after about 18 months, you can be considered for an upgrade to an unsecured card. There's no annual fee, which makes it easier to hold on to while you build your credit. Who's it for? If you want a simple, trusted card from a big bank that helps you focus purely on credit building without distractions, Citi Secured is a reliable choice. How to choose the right secured card in 2025? So, which one should you go for? The answer depends on your goals. If you want rewards and a chance to upgrade quickly, the Discover It Secured is unbeatable. If you want a low deposit and flexibility, the Capital One Platinum Secured is a strong pick. If you prefer no fees and no interest, the Chime Credit Builder is modern and beginner-friendly. If you need a card with no credit check, OpenSky is your safest bet. And if you want a no-frills, trusted bank card, Citi Secured gets the job done. Think about what matters most to you: low fees, rewards, approval odds, and pick the one that aligns with your needs. Tips to succeed with a secured card. Here's the truth: having a secured card isn't enough. You need to use it correctly to see results. Here are my top tips. Keep your utilization low. Try not to use more than 30% of your limit. If your limit is $200, keep spending under $60. Pay on time, every time. Even one late payment can hurt your score. Pay in full. Don't carry a balance. Secured cards often have high interest rates. Use it regularly. A card that sits unused won't help build your credit history. Monitor your credit score. Use free tools from Discover or Credit Karma to track your progress. If you follow these steps consistently, you could see your credit score improve in just 6 months to a year. Final thoughts: in 2025, secured credit cards are more beginner-friendly and more rewarding than ever before. Whether you go with Discover for rewards, Capital One for low deposits, Chime for flexibility, OpenSky for guaranteed approval, or Citi for simplicity, each card has something unique to offer. Remember, your secured credit card isn't just plastic in your wallet. It's a stepping stone to bigger financial goals, qualifying for unsecured cards, getting better loan rates, and eventually unlocking financial freedom. The key is to use it responsibly, build good habits, and let time work in your favor.